Hello YouTube, this is Frank, and this is March the 16th, 2020, and this is my 8th video and my 5th topical video. Now I made my 7th video on March the 14th and wanted to predict the number of coronavirus cases, and we used this simple exponential function here. The CDC just updates their pages Monday through Friday, and so on Saturday I went through our simple model to try to predict the number of cases today on Monday the 16th. So let's see how we did. Let's see. Oops. Let's see. Updated March the 16th. You see, the CDC only updates their pages Mondays through Fridays. Okay, and this is the actual number that the CDC reported, the number of cases and the total deaths. So let's see what we predicted on Saturday, 2 days ago. Monday, 3,424. That's very close. So what was that? 3,487. So we were very close on the total number of cases. The deaths, 68. Let's see, the deaths. We were a little high, 85, and then they had 68. So we probably need to save this because I'm not sure where the archives are on these numbers here. But yeah, we were pretty close here. Now, let's look further at that web page. Now I would be very careful. See, I'm only have a few days on this spreadsheet. I would not go much further than a few days using our simple model. And the reason is, let me see. Let me call up our page here. Now, well, there's several reasons to only use our simple model for a few days. On further down the page, the CDC, they have that description that illnesses that began during this time may not yet be reported. So there was a lot of error in the last few days. So if we use a simple model to predict, a few days out, that would, with all the uncertainty, I wouldn't feel too bad using that. But and there's all kind of uncertainty. There's the measuring uncertainty, the test. I think we've all heard about the difficulty of getting tests for the coronavirus. But that's not too bad for a simple model for just a few days out. Now, if we want to try to model for a longer time, we would not use this model. I do not use this model for more than a few days. That first model that we showed, the susceptible, the infected, and then the outcome buckets out there. That's the model that we would use to try to get a better handle on a longer term prediction. So anyway, that's our prediction. We didn't kind of close there, and for a ballpark simple estimate, that's not too bad. Okay, thank you.